These are the Allswifit SwiftLite. They are step-in, hands-free, so comfortable. They are my second pair of Allswifit I've gotten sent to review. I love the first pair so much. I got them to send me another version, and these are just as comfortable. The back is really sturdy, so it's really hard. That's how you just step in. Your heel doesn't pull this in or anything. And especially because the way it kind of kicks out like this, that's easy to get on and also very comfortable. This bottom here is so like springy and cushiony and just like a joy to walk in these and run in these and just amazing. I walk about 4 miles a day just in my regular life, getting the kids to and from school. And then sometimes I pop on the treadmill as well. So I really get my steps in with Allswifit, and these are just amazing. They are cute too. An interesting, almost like a nylon look, like a kind of shimmery a little bit, but that's fabric. They are so comfy. These are faux laces again, just making getting them on and off so easy. They are true to size. I'm 9.5, that's the size I get, and they're perfect. Nice and wide toe box, no squeezing, just really comfortable shoes. Then equally easy to get them off. They are nice and grippy, just such great tread and support. I love them. They come in a bunch of colors. This is the black, just a very chill one color, but they do have some more fun ones too.